Hey friends, not only is Thousand Island dressing fantastic as a salad dressing, but it is great to use as a dip, but also all those famous burger joints with their secret sauce, well, it's basically a gussied up Thousand Island dressing, and here's why. If you're going to go order a burger, you may or may not ask for pickles, you may or may not ask for ketchup, you may or may not ask for onions, you may or may not ask for mayonnaise. However, by putting the secret sauce on the burger, they are delivering all those ingredients because they feel that putting those together is going to bring their burger out to the fullest. That's why if you're making burgers at home, this is a great sauce to be able to make and have on hand to serve to you and your guests. I'm going to end up using a food processor, and so I'm just doing a rough chop, but if you are going to make this completely by hand, the onions and the pickles, you're going to want to do a nice fine mince. As I said, you can do this by hand, but having a food processor really helps for a lot of things in the kitchen. And this old friend of mine I've had for 19 years now. If you're in the need of a food processor, I got some links below to some different models. Check it out if you're interested. I am going to put the pickles, the rough chopped pickles, and the onions, and I'm gonna quarter the eggs here. By the way, the eggs are going to provide a chunkiness and also a richness to the flavor of the sauce. Okay, I just want to pulse this so that I can get them into a nice mince. By the way, you saw how fast that works, and that's why it's so handy to have. All right, so let's build the sauce. I got mayonnaise here. Hey, you're probably saying, holy hell, that's a lot of mayonnaise. But one thing I recommend to you if you have that reaction is light mayonnaise, if you buy a good brand, is actually quite good and tastes extremely similar to the real mayonnaise. I use Hellmann's light mayonnaise, and it's pretty hard to tell the difference. So if you're worried about the calories, know that you can literally cut it down significantly by switching over to a light mayonnaise. All right, got my handy whisk here, and we are going to bring this together. You can see why this is the secret sauce.